Githagathago kiria gikoretwo ku bururi-ini kiegi cukari wa gugo uria urerikana uri na thumu nikioete mwerekera mweru. Rita riri thirikari ikihithukira maabithaa a ruhonge rwa guthurimi wa indo KEBS aria marathitangirwo kumairiria wira-ini wao na gwitikiria cukari uyu uingire bururi-ini. Murugamiriri munene wa KEBS James Ongwae, abithaa uria urugamiriri ikiro Jesire, abithaa murugamiriri wa urori wa indo hamwe na maabithaa angi mahithukirwo wabici-ini ciao na macoka gukinyio giikaro-ini kinene kia DCI kwandikithia ndumiriri. Ohoro makirio kiuga maabithaa angi ruhonge-ini ruru nimaikitio ngono gicukiro-ini kia mirigo mwena wa Mombasa. Maabithaa aya maikitio ngono mathaa-ini thutha wa mutongoria wa thitango cia muingi Haji kuga KEBS ni yagite uigiririki wira-ini wao na gwitikiria cukari uyu guku bururi-ini.
What we have established on the chair is that standards have not been adhered to, and I think tomorrow we will release that report as we take people for prosecution.
Mbere iyo Ongwae ari mbere ya kamiti ya bunge nyaroigite ati cukari uyu nduri na makuri ta uria minister wa ugitiri wa thiini Fred Matiang'i augite. Uhoro uyu ukite riri kamiti igire cia bunge cireka uthuthuria wigie cukari muru.
CS NRT will come before us to shed light on the companies that have been exempted from importing duty-free sugar and the tonnage that they have been given. Then we will go to CS Matiang'i, who of course made the allegations that the sugar that we have in our, or the sugar that they tested, had mercury and other minerals or other metals. And then we will have finally the CS trade with his entire team.
Firigisheni ya kuhitana na cukari uyu uria urerikana uri na thumu na urathie na mbere kundu gutiganite cukari makiria ukinyitekana kaunti-ini ya Kirinyaga umuthi. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV ritwa riakwa ni Wangui wa Mwangi.